Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by forcing Windows into its recovery environment. This is faster than guessing. Power on, then hold the power button to force shutdown as Windows begins booting. Repeat this cycle 3 times. Once done, Windows detects failed boots and will load preparing automatic repair, then recovery options. Make sure to read any error code shown on the blue screen because it guides fixes. When you reach the recovery screen, choose Advanced Options to continue into the safe mode pathway. From Advanced Options, pick Startup Settings to change how Windows boots. This lets you enable safe mode. Once Startup Settings opens, click Restart and the system will present a numbered menu of boot choices. You'll see options like Enable Safe Mode and Enable Safe Mode with Networking. Use the function keys F4, F5, or F6, or the corresponding number keys to choose. This matters because Safe Mode loads minimal drivers, isolating the cause of crashes, while Safe Mode with Networking lets you access online fixes. After selecting Safe Mode and booting, log in and immediately run diagnostics. Check Device Manager, uninstall recent drivers or updates, and run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files. These steps explain why Safe Mode helps. By limiting drivers, you can identify the faulty component. If the blue screen still appears or Safe Mode fails to load, return to Recovery and use System Restore or Offline Repair. One key troubleshooting tip. If Safe Mode never starts, suspect hardware like RAM or SSD connections and reset or test them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.